Of Gala coin holders. So what's going on this time? The Gala coin price, as you can see, my friend, decreasing 0.083717 USD dollars. You can see this is the current price of Gala coin and minus 0.8%, my friends. The Gala coin price is decreased. You can see here. So the lowest price you can see, my friend, 0.080265 USD dollar, and the highest price which Gala hit now, my friend, 0.085824 USD dollar. So definitely, my friend, the highest price and the lowest there is not a big difference, man. Don't worry, my friend. If they were phased down for a short time, so this is does not mean to your starting selling. A lot of holders are doing very huge mistake to when the price will fails down. Definitely, they were starting selling. So I will just only advise in my share my opinion for all of you: don't starting selling, hold it. I am 100% sure to if you are starting holding, then definitely the price will be pumping up. And my friend, experts says to in upcoming time there is also chance there is a lot of possibilities, my friend, so the price will pumps up. The first reason, my friend, which they will explain, which they will define, my friend, and then two, especially at the end of month, every coin will move upward because in last 10 days, the short-term investor are stop selling and they are starting investing more and more and starting holding. So absolutely there is a chance to the price will increase. So therefore, the first reason what they will define this. And the second reason was that, my friends, to win a short-term investor is stop selling and starting holding, then absolutely the price is increasing. So therefore, the team of my friends Gala Coin is doing very hard work, and absolutely, my friend, if they were starting collaboration with a lot of companies, so I hope, my friends, to the price will more and more increasing. The market cap, you can see, my friend, is a 6 billion 24-hour trading volume. You can see 45 million, and fully diluted market cap is 4 billion. Circulating supply is 7542 billion, and total supply you can see 35 billion. Back supply you can see 50 billion. I think absolutely this time you can see here in last 24-hour chart is on the screen. You can see here. So my friend, this time they were fails down, but don't worry, my friend. If they were fails down, so this is temporary fails. 100% after this fail, as you can see, my friends, the Gala coin price will pumps up. So don't worry, this is temporary form. After fails, absolutely they will pumps up. So you can see, my friend, this time if we check out, so last 1 hour, this and only they will get a profit. In last 24 hours lost, last 7 days lost, last 14 days lost, last 30 days they minus 30.9% increase, but in last 1 year 204 sorry 24,467% the price increase. Definitely it's really good news, my friend. Gala coin moves absolutely unbelievable. So this time, my friends, I feel good now, my friends. So this, you can say, my friend, 80% people are feeling good now about Gala, so therefore I'm also feeling good now. What's your feeling, my friends? Tell me in a comment. This is very important. You are feeling good or bad? Kindly comment now. Thank you so much for everyone for watching our YouTube channel. Subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for videos notifications. See you next time. Allah Hafiz. Take care.